Regular intimacy isn't just about pleasure, it's one of the most powerful health interventions known to science. Studies show that people who have sex weekly have 50% higher levels of immunoglobulin A, your body's first line of immune defense. It lowers blood pressure, reduces cortisol, and releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone that literally counters the stress response. Regular sexual activity is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular events and even certain cancers. And the happiness effect: dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins flood your brain, creating a natural antidepressant more powerful than many pharmaceuticals. Better sleep, younger looking skin, sharper cognitive function, and a stronger immune system. This isn't a lifestyle suggestion, it's a biological imperative, backed by peer-reviewed research. Your body was designed for connection. Denying it has real health consequences.